Tata Tiago EV is one of the most affordable electric cars in India. It is a modern electric hatchback designed for daily city travel and small family use. Since the car runs on electricity, Tata Motors uses the term range instead of mileage. The Tata Tiago EV is available in different battery variants. The medium range (MR) model can travel around 220 kilometers on a full charge, while the long range (LR) model can travel about 290 kilometers. However, the actual driving range may vary depending on traffic conditions, air conditioner usage, road conditions, and driving style. One of the biggest advantages of the Tiago EV is its low running cost. Charging the car costs much less compared to running petrol or diesel cars. In addition, the car produces no smoke or tailpipe emissions, making it an environmentally friendly vehicle that helps reduce air pollution. The car comes with many modern features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, automatic transmission, airbags, and fast charging support. It provides a smooth and quiet driving experience. Because of its affordable price, attractive design, and eco-friendly technology, the Tata Tiago EV is becoming a popular choice among Indian families. The Tata Tiago EV is available in two major battery variants. The 19.2 kWh MR medium range battery variant can travel approximately 223 to 226 kilometers on a full charge. The 24 kWh LR long-range battery variant can travel approximately 285 to 293 kilometers on a full charge. However, in real-world city driving conditions, the range may vary slightly. Traffic, road conditions, air conditioner usage, and driving habits all affect the vehicle's performance. The MR variant usually delivers around 170 to 200 kilometers of real-world city driving range. The LR variant generally provides around 210 to 250 kilometers of real-world driving range. Because of these advantages, Tata Tiago EV is an excellent choice for daily office commuting, school trips, shopping, and short journeys. In Bengaluru, the on-road price of the Tata Tiago EV varies depending on the variant. The base variant costs approximately 7.7 lakh rupees to 8.7 lakh rupees on-road. The mid variant is priced around 9 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. The top variant costs approximately 11 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees on-road. These prices include insurance, registration charges, road tax, and additional accessories, so the final price may vary slightly depending on the city and dealer. Due to its low maintenance cost, electric technology, and modern features, the Tata Tiago EV has become a popular electric car among many families in Bengaluru. The Tata Tiago EV has an attractive and modern design with several stylish exterior features. LED DRLs, daytime running lights, give the car a stylish appearance. Projector headlamps provide better visibility at night. The EV-specific front grille enhances the car's modern design. Attractive alloy wheel designs add to the vehicle's overall look. The latest model comes with connected LED tail lamps, giving the car a premium appearance. Interior features. The interior of the Tata Tiago EV is comfortable and technology-rich. A 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system provides entertainment and useful information. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity are available. The digital instrument cluster clearly displays important driving information. Automatic climate control helps maintain a comfortable cabin temperature. Push-button start makes driving more convenient. Cruise control provides added comfort during long drives. Rear AC vents offer better cooling for passengers. The Harman sound system delivers a high-quality music experience. Steering-mounted control buttons make it easier to control features while driving. With all these modern features, Tata Tiago EV has become a comfortable, safe, and technology-friendly electric car. The Tata Tiago EV is not just an electric car, it is also a symbol of modern technology and safety. The car has been designed to ensure safe and comfortable travel for every member of the family. Dual airbags are provided for the protection of the driver and passengers. In sudden braking situations, the ABS and EBD systems help maintain vehicle control and improve safety. Parking in cities can sometimes be difficult, but the Tiago EV's rear parking camera and parking sensors help drivers park the vehicle easily. If the tire pressure becomes low, the TPMS system provides an early warning. To ensure child safety, ISOFIX seat mounts are also included in the car. Corner stability control helps keep the vehicle stable while taking turns. The car also features automatic door locking when the vehicle reaches a certain speed. The size of the Tata Tiago EV is very suitable for city driving. Its length and width make it easy to drive even on narrow roads. The cabin provides enough space for 5 people to sit comfortably. There is sufficient boot space at the rear for luggage and travel bags. With good ground clearance, the car can easily handle rough and uneven city roads. The car is available in several attractive colors. Pangong Pulse, Dehradun Dew, Daytona Grey, Pure Grey, Pristine White, and Sobo Surge give the vehicle a stylish and modern appearance. Each color offers a unique appeal for young buyers and families. Because of all these features, the Tata Tiago EV is considered an excellent electric car that combines safety, comfort, and modern technology. The main strength of the Tata Tiago EV lies in its advanced electric motor. Instead of a conventional petrol or diesel engine, the car uses a powerful electric motor. This motor uses electrical energy to deliver smooth and quiet driving performance. The Tata Tiago EV is available with 2 different battery and motor options. The medium range MR variant comes with a 19.2 kWh battery and a motor producing around 61 PS of power. This motor delivers approximately 110 Nm of torque. The long range LR variant comes with a 24 kWh battery and a more powerful motor producing around 75 PS of power. It generates approximately 114 Nm of torque. The main advantage of the electric motor in Tata Tiago EV is its instant power delivery. From the moment the car starts, it helps the vehicle move quickly and smoothly. This makes the Tiago EV very convenient for driving in city traffic. The car comes with an automatic transmission system, so there is no need to change gears manually. Drivers can easily control the vehicle using only the accelerator and brake pedals. This makes the car easy to drive even for new drivers. The Tata Tiago EV's motor provides a quiet driving experience. Unlike petrol engine cars, there is very little noise or vibration, making journeys more comfortable. In addition, the motor requires less maintenance, which helps reduce long-term ownership costs. The car also uses regenerative braking technology. When the vehicle slows down or the brakes are applied, a small amount of electrical energy is sent back and stored in the battery. This improves battery efficiency and overall performance. Overall, the Tata Tiago EV's electric motor is a modern technology that offers strong performance, smooth driving, low noise, and reduced maintenance costs. The Tata Tiago EV has become a popular electric car among today's young buyers and families. One of its biggest attractions is its low running cost. At a time when petrol and diesel prices are rising, the Tiago EV offers affordable daily travel. The car is easy to drive on city roads, and its automatic system provides a smooth and peaceful driving experience without the hassle of changing gears. The Tata Tiago EV offers many modern features at an affordable price. A large touchscreen, high-quality music system, safety features, and fast charging support make the car even more attractive. Its fast charging capability also makes it suitable for everyday use. However, the car also has a few limitations. During long highway trips, the battery range may reduce slightly. The rear boot space may feel small for large families traveling long distances. Some passengers feel that the rear seat space is average. In some areas, charging station availability is still limited, so planning may be required before long-distance travel. Many owners appreciate the car for its low maintenance cost and easy city driving experience. Especially in traffic-heavy cities, the Tiago EV's quiet driving experience feels comfortable and relaxing. Some users mention that the real-world driving range depends on traffic conditions, air conditioner usage, and driving style. A few users have also reported occasional battery-related warning messages, but they mentioned that the issues were resolved with support from service centers. Overall, the Tata Tiago EV is a modern, eco-friendly, and cost-effective electric car that represents the new generation of urban mobility.